Hello friends, if you decide to check all of the previously blocked numbers on your Samsung phone, you are in the right place. In this video, I am going to show this process step by step easily. So let's begin. First of all, unlock your phone, then open the default phone dialer app your Samsung phone. After that, look at the top right corner, find the three dots more button, tap on it. Here you can see settings option, click to open the call settings page. After this page is open, scroll down slowly, look at the block numbers option or similar name depending on your phone model, tap to open it. And here you can see all of the previously blocked number listed there. If you unblock any number, don't worry. Simply find the exact number if you want to unblock, tap on the red minus sign next to their name and automatically unblock it. That's it, you are done. Thanks for watching. Bye. Take care.